Hey everybody, it's Nicole. Today we're going to be creating a witch's broom for Halloween. You could use this for all of your Halloween decor and it can cost little or nothing. Okay, so what I did was I went out in my yard. A storm came through and I found this long branch that had fallen, and so I thought it would be the perfect thing or size to make a broom. So I went and gathered these branches and sort of bunched them together with a thick rubber band, and I just kind of flared them out a little bit. So what I'm doing here is actually sticking the long branch into the center of the I guess rubber band and the sticks that I picked up and gathered. So the rubber band is actually holding everything around the stick. You can try, excuse me, to kind of like lay the sticks around the big branch or hot glue them in place first, but I found it easier to just bunch them up, put the rubber band on, and then insert the long branch into the rubber band and just kind of spread them back around. So here I'm just adding some twine that I had in my stash. I've had this for a while, and I'm just going to cover up the rubber band and sort of use this to stabilize and tighten everything together and give it more of a decorative look. And y'all, this came together in like 10 minutes. It didn't take long at all. I think it took me longer to find the branches for the broom portion than anything. But this cost me nothing. Excuse me, y'all. But this broom actually cost me nothing. Like I said, I found the long branch out in the yard, and then I just gathered up some twigs and the rubber band I just had in the junk drawer. So, yeah, nothing at all to make this. So that's what you need to do. Go out, look in your yard and search nature for different items that you can turn into awesome decor that you'd probably spend a fortune for if you bought it, in a store or something. So what I'm going to do now is squirt some hot glue between the twine and the branches there at the end just to give it some I guess more strength and stability because you don't want them shifting around and moving or anything. And this will kind of hold it together even more. Just be careful. I'm using Gorilla Hot glue sticks for this. I love these. They hold and stick to pretty much anything. But yeah, you could use E6000 if you want to. You could probably squeeze it down in there and just let it cure, whatever. But hot glue works best for me. Excuse me, y'all. Seem like I have a frog in my throat today. I guess it's befitting since we're doing witch's broom. But anyway, super simple, super easy, and that's it, y'all. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell and comment down below. Tell me if you're going to make this, and if you do, let me know and let me know how it turned out for you. But excuse me, y'all. Let me hurry up and get off of here. But yeah, I just wanted to come bring you something quick and easy. And this will work great with that cottage core thing that's going on now for the fall and Halloween decor. So yeah. And here it is all staged up. This is my she shed, so it's on the porch of my she shed. But yeah, and there's my witch's hat, which is the next video we'll work on. So until then, see ya. Bye.